Welcome to Lead School at Home.
Hi students, in yesterday's class we have seen up to the question number 7 from the exercise 6.3. Now in the today's class we will see the remaining questions. Okay, now see the question number 8. See in the question number 8 what is asked. In the question number 8, E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD. There is a parallelogram ABCD. I will draw. See here. This is a parallelogram ABCD. ABCD. ABCD is a parallelogram and E is a point on the side AD produced. We have to produce the AD. Producing means we have to extend the side AD. E is a point on the side AD produced and BE intersects, that is BE intersects CD at point F. Therefore, we have to join the BE also. Join BE. This point E, this BE intersects at point CD at point F. This BE line intersects CD at point F. This point is intersection of point is F. Now we have to show that triangle ABE, this triangle ABE, ये वाला triangle, this one triangle, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. CFB. ये वाला बड़ा वाला triangle and ये वाला छोटा वाला triangle. These two triangles are similar. We have to show here. Let us see how to prove this. Now, what is given here? Given quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Is parallelogram. It is a parallelogram given. Now, to prove, what we have to prove here? To prove triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. We have to prove here. See here how to prove. Proof. Now, in these two triangles, we have to consider these two triangles, that is triangle ABE and triangle CFB. In triangle ABE and triangle CFB. Observe in these two triangles, in the triangle ABE and in triangle CFB, can I say that this angle CFB is equal to angle ABE. Angle ABE is equal to angle ABE is equal to angle CFB. Angle CFB. What is the reason? What is the reason? See here. These two angles. Why these two angles are equal? These two are the alternate angles because ABCD is a parallelogram. Therefore, side AB is parallel to side CD. ABCD is a parallelogram. Therefore, side AB is parallel to side CD. Therefore, can we say that this angle B is equal to angle F because these two are the alternate angles? What is the reason? Alternate angles. These two are the alternate angles. Then, can I say that the angle A is equal to angle C? This one angle. Angle A is equal to angle C. Why? Because these two angles are opposite angles of parallelogram. Opposite angles of parallelogram. Parallelogram. Opposite angles of parallelogram. We know that opposite angles of parallelograms are equal. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle C. Therefore, can we say that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB? What is the reason? By AA similar criteria. Because two corresponding angles are equal here. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. By AA similar criteria. Hence, proved. This much only we want here. See here, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. We have to show. We have shown here. Copy down this. Now we will see question number 9. See in a question number 9 what is given. In a figure ABC and AMP are two right triangles. These two are the right triangles, right angled at B and M respectively. Now we have to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. That is triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. We have to prove here. That is, and second proof, CA divided by PA. CA divided by PA is equal to BC divided by MP. We have to prove here. BC divided by MP. This ratio we have to prove here. See the proof. Now, in triangle ABC, I will prove the first one. See the first proof. In a triangle ABC and triangle AMP, in these two triangles, see in these two triangles, that is in a triangle ABC and triangle AMP, angle B is equal to angle M, both are 90 degree. In these two triangles, angle ABC is equal to angle AMP, each 90 degree. Reason is each 90 degree. Therefore, both are equal. And again, see in these two triangles ABC and AMP, whether angle A is common for both the triangles? Yeah. Angle A is equal to angle A. What is the reason? The reason is common angle. In the both the triangles, angle A is a common. Therefore, this is a common angle. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. What is the reason? By AA similar criteria. Because these two angles are equal, therefore by AA similar criteria, we can say that these two triangles are similar. By AA similar criteria. By AA similar criteria, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Now, see in a second proof, what we want in a second proof. In a second proof, we want CA divided by PA. CA divided by PA we want. Now, from this, can we write this CA divided by PA? I will mark it as equation number 1. Mark it as equation number 1. From 1, CA divided by PA, CA divided by PA is equal to BC divided by MP. Can I write BC divided by MP? BC divided by MP. Because we know that these two triangles are similar, therefore their corresponding ratios must be equal. That is, reason is from 1, and we can also say that by CPST. We can also say that from 1, that is CPST. The corresponding part of similar triangles are in the same ratio. Hence proved. Hence proved. These two we have proved here. Copy down. Now we will see question number 10. See in question number 10 what is given. CD and GH respectively are the bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF such that D and H lie on the sides AB and FE of a triangle ABC and a triangle EFG respectively. See here, according to given, we will draw the two triangles. What is given here? Two triangles are given. One triangle is triangle ABC. We will consider first triangle will be triangle ABC and second triangle will be triangle EFG. Second triangle is triangle EFG. E, F and G. These are the two triangles, and CD and GH are the angle bisectors of angle ACB. Angle ACB का bisector है, angle bisector है CD. CD is the angle bisector of angle ACB. Means these two angles are equal. These angle and these angles. I will mark these two angles as angle 1 and angle 2. And GH is the angle bisector of EGF. GH is the angle bisector of EGF. That is, this one angle is equal to this one angle. And I will name it as angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Now, see here, we have to prove, what we have to prove here? CD divided by GH, this one. This CD divided by GH is equal to AC divided by FG. We have to prove this AC divided by FG. These two we have to prove. To prove this, first we have to prove these two triangles are similar. To show this ratio, we have to show that these two triangles are similar. Here, how to show this? We will use the given data. What is given here? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. It is a given. This is a given data. Therefore, can I write this angle A is equal to angle F? Angle A is equal to angle F, because the respective vertices we have to take here. Respective vertices angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle F. It is a by CPST, corresponding part of similar triangles. Along with this, can I say that angle C is also equal to angle G? Angle C is also equal to angle G. Angle C is equal to angle G. The reason, same reason. For both reason is CPCT. That is CPST, corresponding part of similar triangles are equal. Therefore, angle C is equal to angle G. Now, if I divide both sides by 2, that is angle C divided by angle 2 is equal to angle G divided by angle 2. Dividing both the sides of a equation by 2, we will get angle C divided by 2 and angle G divided by 2. Therefore, half of an angle C. Angle C divided by 2 means half of angle C, which is equal to, can I write angle 2? Half of angle C is nothing but angle 2. I will write angle 2, which is equal to half of angle G. Can I write angle number 3? Half of angle G is equal to angle 3. Angle 3. Now, mark this as this one as a equation number 1 and this as a equation number 2. This is the equation number 2. Now in triangle, we have to consider these two triangles DCA. In triangle DCA and triangle HGF and triangle HGF. In these two triangles, star marked triangles, this one triangle and this one triangle. In these two triangles, angle A is equal to angle F. Angle A is equal to angle F. What is the reason? Reason is from 1. And angle 2 is equal to angle 3 from 2. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3 from 2. Therefore, can I say that triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF? Can I say that these two triangles are similar? Yes. See here, in a third proof, what we want? In a third proof, this much only we want. Triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. Here we got. Therefore, by which rule you can say this? By which rule you can say this? Because two angles are equal here. Can we say that by AA similar criteria? Yes. By AA similarity. By AA similarity. By AA similarity, these two triangles are similar. Therefore, third question is proved. Question third is proved. Third proved. Therefore, can we write CD divided by GH? This CD divided by GH, respective vertices we have to check. CD divided by GH is equal to AC divided by FG. Respective vertices I have to write. CD divided by GH is equal to AC divided by FG. AC divided by FG. What is the reason? This is the corresponding part of similar triangle. Because we got these two triangles are similar, therefore these are the corresponding part of similar triangles are equal. Hence, proved. The first proof is proved here. What we want in the first proof, this much only we want, that we got here. Hence, proved first one. And proved first one, better here write. Therefore, proved third. Third proof also we have proved before this. Therefore, and this one also proved. That is the first proof we want here. And see here, what is left here? Second proof only we left here. That one also we will prove here. In second proof, what we want? Triangle. In a second proof, in triangle DCB, in triangle DCB and triangle HGE, HGE, which we will consider now these two triangles. See here, triangle DCB is which triangle? Triangle DCB. This one triangle. I will mark star here. Triangle DCB and one more triangle, triangle HGE. HGE. This one triangle. Now these two triangles we have to show similar. See here in these two triangles, can I say that this angle B is equal to angle E from this? See here, angle B is equal to angle E. I will write first this triangle ABC. I will write directly. Angle B is equal to angle E. Reason? Angle B is equal to angle E. What is the reason? Because triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Because triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. FEG. ये दोनों triangle similar है. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle B. E we got here. This much is given. And this is the reason. And again, see here, angle 1 is equal to angle 4. How to get it? See here, angle C is equal to angle G. Can I write? Angle C is equal to angle G. Angle C is equal to angle G. For both this, the same reason is there. For both this, same reason is there. That is triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Therefore, I have to write here, angle C is equal to angle G. Angle C is equal to angle G. And similarly, divide angle C divided by 2 and angle G divided by 2. Divide both sides by 2. That is angle C divided by 2 means half of angle C is equal to how much? Can I write angle 1? Yes. Half of angle C is also equal to angle 1, which is equal to half of angle G is equal to, that is, can I write angle 4? Yes. Angle 4. Because GH is the angle bisector and CD is also angle bisector. Right here reason. CD and GH are angle bisectors. Of angle C and angle G. Of angle C and angle G. Therefore, see here, from these two, we got in these two triangles, angle B is equal to angle E and angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Therefore, triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE by which rule? By AA similarity. By AA similarity, hence proved. Copy down this. Now we will see example number 7. This example number 7 I have solved in a day 9. This example number 7 has incompleted in the day 9. That example we will complete today. See here in example number 7 what is given. A girl of a height 90 centimeter is walking away from the base of a lamp post. There is a lamp post and one girl. A girl is walking from the base of the lamp post के बेस से वॉकिंग कर रही है एट अ स्पीड ऑफ 1.2 मीटर पर सेकेंड. कितना स्पीड है उसका उस गर्ल का? 1.2 मीटर पर सेकेंड. इफ द लैम्प इज 3.6 meter above the ground, if the lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground, then find the length of her shadow. Find the length of her shadow means that girl's shadow after 4 seconds. 4 seconds के बाद गर्ल का कितना shadow आता है? That we have to find here. Let us see. First I will consider a lamp post. Let us consider this is a lamp post AB. Wait, I will draw straight one. This AB be the lamp post. AB be the lamp post. And what is the height of a lamp post? The lamp post height is 3.6 meter. 3.6 meter above the ground level. Above the ground level. And I will consider a girl see here what is given in the question. A girl of a height 90 centimeter is walking away from the base of a lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second, and after 4 seconds, what is her shadow we have to find here. I will consider after 4 seconds she will reach at a point C. She will reach at a point C. After 4 seconds she will reach at a point C, and I will draw a girl here. We will assume a girl. She is a girl. Okay. Now see here, a light travels in a straight line and shadow falls on a girl. See here, light travels in this way. Light travels in this way, and it will cut the ground at this point. Therefore, I will mark this point as a E and this point as a D. Now we can say that the CD is the height of a girl. Yes, the CD is the height of a girl. Then what is the height of a girl given? 90 centimeter. Height of a girl is given in the question, that is 90 centimeter. And CE, what is the CE? CE will be the shadow of a girl, because the light travels in this way, and this will, after this girl, the shadow will come here. That is CE will be the distance of shadow. Therefore, we will assume all things here. See how to solve this. Let AB be the lamp post. AB be the lamp post, and C is the point. C is the point of a girl. Point of a girl after walking 4 seconds. After walking 4 seconds. C is the point of a girl after walking a 4 seconds. 4 सेकेंड के बाद जहां पर गर्ल जाएगी आफ्टर 4 सेकेंड, द पॉइंट इज C. C तक रीच हो जाएगी वो. देन CD will be the, then CD will be the height of a girl. CD will be the height of a girl. CD will be the height of a girl. Now let us consider CE be the shadow of a girl, after walking 4 seconds. After walking 4 seconds. After walking 4 seconds. After walking 4 seconds, CE will be the shadow of a girl after walking 4 seconds. Now let CE be x meter. You will consider this CE distance will be x meter, because we don't know how much this distance of CE will be. We will consider this as a x meter. Now see here, now in triangle, and can we find the BC also distance? BC is the distance of a girl which she will cover in a 4 second. Distance covered by a girl in a 4 second. Therefore, BC is equal to distance covered by a girl in 4 seconds. Distance covered by a girl in a 4 seconds. Don't think that this much we have to write. This is the theoretical part only. Whatever given in the question, that only I have written in the solution. Okay, this much is given, and we have assumed whatever we have denoted, the AB is a lamp post and CD be the girl height. Like this only we have to write. Okay. See here, BC is equal to distance covered by a girl in a 4 seconds, which is equal to, in a 4 second, how much distance she will cover? That is, in a 1 second she will cover 1.2 meter per second, and in a 4 seconds she will cover 1.2 into 4, that is 1.2 into 4 seconds. Why 1.2? Because in 1 second she covers 1.2 meter into 4. In a 4 seconds she will cover this much distance, which is equal to 4.8 meter per second. Therefore, BC we got 4.8 meter per second. Now what we have to find here? We have to find the value of x, that is the length of a shadow. Now in triangle, ABE and triangle CDE. See these two triangles in a triangle ABE and triangle CDE. In these two triangles, can I say that angle B is equal to this one angle? Angle B is equal to angle C. What is the reason? Each 90 degree. Each 90 degree because BE because each 90 degree because girl and lamp post stands vertically to the ground. We know that lamp post and a girl stands vertically to the ground. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 90 degree. दोनों का angle 90 degree हो गया. Then angle E is equal to angle E. Can we say that this angle E is equal to angle E in the both the triangle? In a triangle ABE, angle E is also there, and in a triangle CDE, angle E is also there. Therefore, angle E is equal to angle E. Why? Common angle. In a both the triangle, this angle is there. Therefore, the reason is common angle. Here two angles are equal. Therefore, can we say that triangle ABE? Therefore, triangle ABE is similar to triangle DCE. Is similar to triangle DCE. What is the reason? By AA similarity. By AA similarity, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Therefore, can we write AB by this AB divided by CD? We have to take a ratio. AB divided by DC is equal to BE divided by this BE divided by CE. We can take this ratio. Okay. Now we have to put all the values here. What is the value of AB? AB we know that AB is 3.6. Put here AB is equal to 3.6. And DC, what is the value of DC here? See here. DC is equal to 90 centimeter. We have to convert all in the meter. 90 centimeter means how much meter? This is a 0.9 meter. 90 centimeter means 0.9 meter. We have to write here DC is equal to 0.9 meter. Is equal to BE. What is the value of BE? See here. This much BE. BE can also be written as, ये BE को कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम? This BE can also be written as BC plus CE. BC plus CE. ये BE को BC plus CE लिख सकते हो ना आप? See here. This BE can be written as BC plus CE divided by CE as it is. Now we will put all the values. 3.6 as it is divided by 0.9 is equal to, what is the value of BC? BC we don't know. Put as it is BC. Sorry, BC we have calculated na. See here. BC we got as a 4.8. BC we got 4.8. Put here 4.8 plus CE. What is the value of CE here? CE we have assumed X meter. CE we have assumed X meter. Put here instead of CE X divided by CE is equal to X. I will solve here. Now in a numerator there is a, after decimal there is single digit, and in a denominator also after decimal there is single digit. We can directly divide it. 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. We got here 4 is equal to 4.8 plus X divided by X. Send this X towards this side, it will go in multiplication. Therefore 4X is equal to 4.8 plus X. Now send this X also towards left hand side. 4X minus X is equal to 3X is equal to 4.8 we get. Then X is equal to, send this 3 towards right hand side. 4.8 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, and 1 will remain. 3 6 are 18. Therefore we got 1.6. Therefore X is equal to 1.6 meter we got here. From this you have to write below one statement. Therefore the shadow of a girl after walking 4 seconds away from the lamp post, after walking 4 seconds away from a lamp post, length of a shadow is X is equal to 1.6 meter. Now you have to solve the question number I will give some questions for homework from the exercise 6.3. Take question number 11 and 12. Question number 11 and 12 for homework. I will write here. homework exercise 6.3 question number 11 and question number 12. These two questions are the for homeworks. You have to do it. Bye students.